guys, spend the morning with us. It's not a morning, it's a day because we are going to Johannesburg. So bukela iPirates neChiefs FNB Stadium. Sabe sesifikela Gold Free City besithi sinaku sidle khona. Then bathi sihambe sodla ngale casino cause lapha kunema restaurants lamaningi singakhona ukuthi sikhethe whether sifuna kudla steak noma sifuna kudla fish to decide thina. Hayi sabe sesifikele buka ukuthi kuhle njani. Guys, ngihamba no baby wami sichopper tin bafethu. Shopper is getting worse. I'm worried. Guys, in partner EasyBets, you just join. You just sign up and use code Mikey to get 50 rand plus 25 spin. How cool is that? Hayibo lana sesanzinza kusesidleni sidle kuphi sidecide. Hayi sanzinza ke sabuka nje lesingakhona ukudla ngoba guys kubalekile ukuthi udle into lotho ikona. Mina I don't like trying new things because I know myself ukuthi angeke ngize ngidle and I'll be wasting money. Naku lana ngiyakhamisa ke ngiyabuka ke le ngadla khona yo bafethu bathi ke sigcine sesiphelela la espare basifika la spare ke sa order bathi starter yini le bathi snack kumbe starter yini ayi mina kungihlulile nje I wasn't interested bengibhizi ngama video ngibhizi ngama picture because I love looking beautiful ngiyamthaza umuntu wami guys always nje ngihlala nginaye futhi ngathi ngingahlala kukuhle so ngoba bayolilizelanga lami elikhulu kyokhala ulilili sikhwele guys buka nginesikhwele njani buka la iphone ngothi ngibuka kanjani yo hayi mina inkosi yami shami yabona nangakhishwa lesikhwele ingaka right yo nginesikhwele angikhona so nami lana bengithi bambe ngeBrutal Fruit and then umuntu wambe kade bambe ngeCastle Drafts yeah ngiva bathi imnanzi yadzakwana ya but then mina lama snacks wabo lawa ishangibhurile shami so ningakhohle guys 50 rand you sign up use code Mikey to get 50 rand plus 25 spin hayi ngathi ucheers ke moyeni uyathi nawo iPhone then ngathi order ama prawns ne steak umuntu wami order steak ke nama prawns ngathatha take away cause lokudla bekuningi it was too much angisho but anything you want umuntu wami lana bamvimba so funa kuphuma neglass guys so lana it was outside bese siphuma lana sesibangisele la siyakhona nawo sesiyagijima stadium yo sesithengele amathikiti ethu sesiyagijima ibhola iqalile bantu bayamemeta sekumnanzi like yo besipake ekhashana yo bafethu ayayayayi siwokhile shami angifuna icamba manga siluzile neweight siwokhile bukhashana as you can see lana benginizomela yanikhoma amathikiti ethu besihlale bathi isuit sikuhlala kusuit angathi ukuthi isuthi yantoni umuntu wamsudini ukuthi ngimeme cabanga ziyakhala ziyalila ayibo sathi safika nje iPirates to ngoba vele sifike late vele i-half time bese ihambile ngathatha ngabamba ngeselfinyana lana besinatha iJames kahle I just realized ukuthi I drink whatever nginatha konke mina bafethu lena bangideshele iJameson kwaba mnanzi nje kakhulu yo stadium kumnanzi yakora ke iPirates la yo ayibo angisagidzi yo ayishembe kumnanzi angifuni icamba manga yo bekumnanzi angifuni shem nje ngithi ngiyanyenga bekumnanzi I wish ukuthi ingendeka futhi nje ngiphinze ngiyi cause mina ngisuye umuntu webhola but I did enjoy myself shema ngifuna icamba manga yabo seyiphela ke ibhola uma iphela ibhola sema kancane simelele ukuthi abantu uphume bona kuqala then nathi sizokhona ukuthi siphume solo so khona keep imoto hayibo nangifika la emaboneni ngibona mina le bajaji lana bayiphakamisa hayi inkosi yami guys if unale moto lena hayibo imoto ukuthi uyibeka lana uyithola bayiphakamisile uthola esentshitshi location hayibo bafethu cabanga nje ngibona shothi bebafuna ngidlula then umnikati bekangekho seba decide ukuthi bona bayiphakamise cabanga nje ubeka imoto yakho lana ubuya so uyithola entshitshi location hayi sangena ke la S2O satibamba ke ngema drinks nyana kuze Mtimba ahlamuse Mtimba abo right sathenga nje mina mangifika lana ngivele nganathi extra pairs isithanda sami sachubeka sanatha iHennessy ya njengoba senimbona nje angijayivela la umuntu wami shemkazi uactive mbuke hayi Bundam active shema akakhona ukuthi bambe nje nakanami. Hayi yasho ke i-round 2. This was round 2. Yeah, this was round 2 la eSuo. Yo hayi shema angifuni ukucamba manga ziyakhala ziyalila. Kumnanzi nje kakhulu kumnanzi especially nomuntu wakhe understand. Kuba mnanzi kakhulu la kusemaboneng la. Masisuka lapho guys, you must know, you must remember ukuthi ekuseni benginatha brutally nganatha Jameson ngaphezu nganatha iHennessy vele bese ngidzakiwe sahamba ke sayobhuka lana bathi what Alien Hotel khona lapho la eJoburg yeah sabhuka lapho because we aska drive back here. Then it's so nice man, 2-bedroom plus dining room, kitchen nje ku-rice. Mina ngiyangithanda kakhulu guys. That was my day. Love you. Bye.